Hey everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your factory front bumper on a 5th gen 4Runner. So let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is pop your hood, and we're going to remove these 13 plastic clips that are holding this plastic shroud over the top of the radiator. And these are pretty simple to take out, so you're just going to want to grab a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver, and all you need to do is push on the center of the clip. You'll hear it click just like that, and then you can work the pry tool underneath the fat part of the clip and lift it out. So simple as that. Now let's remove the rest. Now you'll need to remove this 10mm screw from the center post of the grille, as well as these two plastic clips that are next to the headlights. Behind your grille, you're going to have 4 more plastic clips along this metal support that you're going to need to pop out. Moving down underneath the truck, we've got a splash guard here that we need to remove. So there's going to be a couple 10mm screws here along the bottom, as well as a little plastic clip in the center. So we're going to pop all these out and we can drop this whole guard out of here. Now you're going to remove these 3 screws from the inside of your fender liner using a 10mm socket. Also, make sure you remove the 3 screws here on the underside of your bumper that are holding the bottom of that inner fender liner. Now we're going to do those same exact steps on the passenger side of the truck. So we're to the point now where we're going to need to remove this whole front bumper cover, and as you go and pry this thing forward, you're just going to want to be cautious of any lights you have. So obviously your fog lights, you're going to want to reach in and disconnect if you can, and then any off-road lights you have, you're going to want to disconnect as well. And we're going to start by prying on the edges where it meets the inner fender, kind of work its way out, and then we should be able to bring this whole thing off the front of the truck. So there you have it, folks. That's what it takes to remove the front bumper on your 5th gen 4Runner, and hopefully this was a helpful video for you guys. Now obviously when you go to reinstall it, you're just going to walk backwards on the exact same steps we used to remove it. So overall it's not too complex, but as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.